Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Visa gift card to your bank account. So let's get into the video. So if you want to transfer from your gift card to your bank account, what you can do, you can use a platform to do this. You can easily use PayPal to do this. So PayPal is easy to use. So what you can do, firstly, go to your PayPal, log into your account, and then firstly add your PayPal, add your gift card to PayPal. So simply go to your wallet, and then once you get to your wallet here, hit on link a card, and then when you get to linking option here, so simply your card type, select your Visa, and then type in your card number and all your Visa, your gift card details, your Visa gift card details, link the card. Once your card has been linked, then you can simply, so now that your card has been linked, you can simply add money to your PayPal. So hit on add money, and then add money to your PayPal. Okay, so choose your gift card that you just added. So simply click on it, hit on next, and choose the amount and complete the process. So you have added the money. So now that you have added the money, you can now withdraw this money to your bank account. So make sure your bank account is linked prior. So once your bank account is linked, then all you have to do is hit on withdraw, and then withdraw whatever amount straight to your bank account, and that's it. So this is how you can send money from Visa gift card to your bank account through PayPal, as there is no direct ways to do that. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.